Hello and welcome to Plant Crafted Pantry. Today we are making mint matcha chocolate chip cookies. First, we'll mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of warm water in a small bowl to make a flax egg, and we'll set that aside to thicken. Then we'll add 1 stick of vegan butter to the bowl of my stand mixer, along with half a cup of sugar, and we'll beat that until it's light and fluffy. Then we'll add 1.5 teaspoons of matcha and a 1/4 teaspoon of spirulina for a little extra color. And then we'll beat that again until the color is consistent. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of peppermint extract, our flax egg now that it is thickened, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour. We'll mix that until everything is combined, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Then we'll add a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and mix those in. And here is what our finished dough looks like. Here I have a silicone mat on a baking sheet, and I am scooping out cookies using my medium-sized OXO cookie scoop, which is about 1.5 tablespoons. Then I'm going to press a couple more chocolate chips into the tops of the cookies so they'll be more visible once they bake, but this step is completely optional. We'll bake the cookies at 350 degrees for about 9 to 11 minutes or until the bottom edges are golden brown. And then I let them cool on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes before moving them to a cooling rack. This will make a nice, soft, and chewy cookie. And here's what they look like once they've fully cooled. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.